All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about the beautiful planet Venus. Venus is the planet of beauty. Venus is the planet of prosperity. Venus is the planet of luxury. Venus is the planet of money, wealth, gold, diamonds, jewelry, luxuries. All those things that you face in this life can be seen from the planet Venus. And Venus is a so important planet to be in our life because during this point of time, money plays a major role, right? For that, the Karaka is basically planet Venus. Venus represents prosperity, Venus represents luxury, and the people with strong Venus, obviously, they come from a very rich family, or they might become super rich because of their efforts, and it naturally brings a lot of dhana yogas, that is the wealth yogas in your life. And wealth yogas generally happens with planet Venus. And Venus is a planet of beauty. Venus is a planet of cosmetics, all that jewelry, all that your beauty industry, healthcare industry, all those things comes under planet Venus. Okay, and Venus makes the person very handsome as well, and also these people will be very beautiful, and also they can able to attract the other people through their legs and through their looks, and also these people are considered as magnetic personality. That happens if at all you have strong Venus in your birth chart, and Venus also makes the person very creative, innovative, and also humorous in nature. Venus also brings a lot of comforts in this person's life. Right? All the great lifestyle, all the luxuries that you enjoy in the life, all the tourism that you go, all the jewelry that you buy, all these things are all blessings from the planet Venus in your birth chart. And planet Venus also brings a lot of prosperity for this person. Okay, so Venus makes the person very handsome and sex up and gives sex appeal, and also personal magnetism, and also makes one's get interested in arts, science, and music, literature, geography. All these things comes under planet Venus, and people with strong Venus are naturally can able to make a money, and also they'll be able to make very good business profits undoubtedly, and also they excel well in the real estate industry. All the real estate industry comes under planet Venus. Okay, then you can imagine the importance of planet Venus in the birth chart. And Venus becomes exalted in the Pisces zodiac sign. Venus becomes debilitated in the Virgo zodiac sign. Okay, so what happens if Venus becomes stronger? I have told you till now. Let me talk to you about the other side of planet Venus. If Venus is placed in Virgo zodiac sign, it will become debilitated. Okay, that means the Venus loses its energy. So automatically this person will become alone and lonely in the life. If at all Venus is weaker in the birth chart, getting the financial success becomes a question mark for this person. He cannot able to expand the business, and he'll be having frequent quarrels with his spouse as well. In the male's birth chart, Venus represents wife. In the female's birth chart, Jupiter represents husband. So people with weaker Venus, they'll be having frequent quarrels with the spouse, and they'll be having issues in the financial matters, and they'll be facing a lot of challenges, and also they'll be facing a lot of what you say troubles from the female figures in their life. This happens if at all if you have weaker Venus in the birth chart, because Venus becomes debilitated in the birth chart. That brings the negative qualities in the person's life. Your negative qualities will be exposed to the outer world, and that happens if at all you have a weaker Venus. And also these people are also very unclean in nature. They don't give much importance to hygiene, and also decoration and all that interior designing. It happens if at all you have strong Venus in the birth chart, and these people will be showing a lot of interest in terms of interior designing, construction, or saving the money on the real estate. All these things are all signs of significators of strong Venus. Similarly, on the contrary, if you have a weaker Venus, this person will not be showing interest on saving the money or even the making the money. Okay, and weaker Venus disturbs the happy married life. Obviously, you'll be getting a lot of troubles and problems and conflicts with your spouse if at all you have a weaker Venus. And if at all if you have a weaker Venus, that also brings a lot of delays and denials in the marriage as well. Okay, this is a short bite video about planet Venus. Let me tell you, Venus is quite an important planet, especially in the male's birth chart, because Venus rules spouse, that is wife in the birth for the male's native. All right. So Venus represents everything, all the positiveness, all the glorious things that you see in the life, all the luxurious things, the garments as well as gadgets. All these things are all significators of planet Venus in the birth chart. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also do share this video with your family and friends who will get benefited, who want to get benefited from my videos, because I'm sharing a great insights about Vedic astrology. I mean, just sort of my passion, because my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. All the technical terms, I'm making it so easy for you to access all this divine knowledge, all this secret knowledge of Vedic astrology through my videos. Okay, so do watch my videos on regular basis. In fact, there are around 400 to 450 videos which I have made in my YouTube channel. So, and these are all copyrighted very much. Of course, I needless to tell you. So let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you loved from this video, so that I know that you're following my videos. And let me know in the comment section what are the topics that you want me to cover in my YouTube channel, so that I can able to pick up that topics and I can help you able to help you with the, and also in your consultation, I can able to help you with the prediction analysis. So do book for a consultation, and I'll see you in the consultation, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.